welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants in the DC office, and we have our friend Alice returning for today.
Happy to
Alice,
be here.
Welcome back. Thanks for coming.
Thanks
for coming back. Thanks for doing this. We recorded a video from you the first time around, transgender patient, and we did the front part of your hairline the first time around. You had a hairline lowering procedure, and then we did sort of a transplant in front of it. Really good results, really happy with it. Today, what are we doing?
Today we're going to be taking care of the crown.
Okay.
Had a lot of hair regrowth over the course of my transition. However, not quite as full as I would like it to be. So came here to fill in the rest.
Awesome. And if we have extras, which I'm going to hopefully get some extras, we may fill in the part a little bit. She's happy with everything. The part sometimes, even with a good transplant, when hair is going in different directions, you can see through a little bit. So if we have extras, we may throw some in there as well too to make it a little bit more full. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin you around, and I'm going to have you look up towards the ceiling. And so, not that far. There you go. And so this is what we're going to be addressing today. So it used to be a lot more thin, but being on the hormones, that has thickened up, but just not quite as much as you would like, correct?
That's correct.
Okay. All right. Thanks for doing this again. We'll draw it all out, maybe do a little shaving in the back. I know we don't want to do any shaving today, but we have to do a little bit, and we'll check back in with you. Sound good?
All right, sounds good.
Cool. With Alice, and we have drawn out our little triangle up front, so that any extras we have, we're going to put there, little small grafts, and then in the back, this is where we're going to really hit it hard today. I do plan on taking out the old scar. We should have enough hair by removing the old scar and also fill this in as well too. So this is the goal for the target for the day. You feeling all right? Got
good.
One Valium on board, ready to rock and roll?
Ready to
Okay,
go.
let's do it. Back, Alice, congratulations, we're all done.
Thank you.
How did the second one compare to the first one?
Honestly, a lot easier. You had mentioned it before, and it was the case that it is easier the second time. You know, the only thing that's even remotely painful or anything is just the numbing process. Once you get through that, it's just...
Yeah, no, obviously we didn't do as much as we did the last time, but for me personally, the fear of the unknown is worse than the actual thing. And so for me, the second time was easier, but most patients say that as well too. Yeah. So I love what we did. I'm going to spin you around so we can see the back, and we really just crushed that, put a lot of grafts up in there. We talked about the potential for some shock loss in there, which may happen since you did have a decent amount of hair. And then we filled in this little triangle right there as well too. You did it.
All right.
Welcome to the family again. Thanks for doing this. Any words of advice that you would have for anybody out there that's sort of on the fence or thinking about it, doing some research? What would you tell yourself, your 3-year ago self?
Just bite the bullet and do it sooner than later, because the longer you wait, the longer you're going to have to, wait for it to grow out. Because the growing out, having done it once before, the growing out process is one of the most nerve-wracking parts. It's is it gonna grow? Did I kill anything by not caring for it? I tried my very best to make sure everything was right. So just do it, take care of everything, trust the process, and it'll come in. And it just takes a little bit of time. And once you get there, and a year and a half goes by, and you'll be like, all right, cool, it's done. It's there
a
now.
year's gonna go by anyway. Might as well get it done so that you can enjoy it afterwards. So absolutely. Thank you for doing this. Thanks for sharing your story. Hopefully we'll see you in a year and see a big bushy crown back there.
That's what I'm hoping for too.
Sounds good.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.